When your cat has a 404 error and forgets how to be a solid object. If you find the manual for this model, your cat decides your hair is the final boss and goes for the knockout punch. From absolute chaos to just a baby in 5 seconds flat. Huh? Tale of betrayal strikes again, and this cat never even saw it coming. It is a classic case of wrong place, wrong time, and way too much fluff. This is exactly why you do not nap in the line. Your milk order is 3 minutes late and you're about to show them why you're at the top of the food chain.
Whoa.
You accidentally stumble into the most exclusive spa in the world and realize you are the only one who forgot to...
Let me feed you. Come inside. Look at that. Look at it.
Hal learned the hard way that the force field of feline judgment is impenetrable. Your cat is the only one who actually understands the assignment during a game of hide and seek.
Marco, come on. Marco.
You're 100% orange and 0% fruit, but you still want to claim your heritage.
Ты зачем это стащил? Отдай Рите хурмоны, тебе почистит.
You're trying to save for a house, but your cat is the one who actually manages the household finances. This is my landlord now. No thoughts, just 50 euros, and a dream of more premium tuna. You spend 3 hours setting up your life goals and your intrusive thoughts win in 3 seconds. Moment when the neighbor's cat looks a lot more like a bear than the adoption papers led you to believe.
Oh my god. Legitimately waiting for his food to come out. His food comes out at 9. He's watching.
Local cloud with tiny legs spotted approaching at high speeds. This is not a drill. The box says singer, but your soul says gymnast. Exact moment the guest you didn't invite decides to make themselves at home. Try to use the coffee table. Your neighbor's dog finally reaches its final form and decides the grass is actually greener on the other side. Convinced this bear has a better vertical jump than I do. Neighborhood watch is getting intense.
爬上去了。
Сильно. А ну-ка, неси. Неси скорее. Скорее неси. Давай.
Your dramatic friend tries to start an argument, but you are literally just existing. You realize you left your phone on the couch, but the floor is lava and your parkour. Mistakes were made, but curiosity remains high. 1 second I am the king of the jungle and the next I have a cloud stuck to my foot. My dignity is currently dissolving at the same. You have a 9 a.m. meeting in the Arctic, but your Uber is a Honda Wave in Thailand.
No.
Cat is just trying to help with the heavy lifting, but clearly, his specialty is more in the area of gravity testing and moral support. You are the single piece of veggie that finally makes the coworker who is always on a diet break. You have zero social skills, but the catering is top tier. Horse is convinced he is the pace car for the Cow 500, and honestly the cows are winning. You're an elf on a shelf, but your parkour skills are stuck in the workshop. They said golden retrievers were the ultimate weighted blankets. They are definitely contemplating the meaning of life, or just wondering when the wet skydots will stop so they can go back to judging people from the balcony.
Perdón. Oh, Gary.
Ginger Cat really thought he was the main character until the Grey Cat reminded him. The cat is just waiting for the tiny kitten to... I was not prepared for the jump scare to be this adorable. It went from a pile of laundry to a sentient potato with eyes in record time. Just 100% fluff and existential dread. Dog really thought they were sharing a moment until the cat decided it was time for a vibe check. 1 second you are smiling for the camera, the next you are questioning every life choice. parkour but forget you are 90% fluff and 10% bad decisions. Gravity. You're trying to leave the party early but then you see the snack table. Tell your coworkers you're a morning person and they decide to test your patience before the first cup of coffee.
Huh? Huh?
You enjoying yourself? Yeah.
The cats are the only creatures that can demand your undivided attention while simultaneously. Pretty sure this is the exact moment my shadow decided to stop following me and start hunting me instead. The orange cat really thought it had the element of surprise until the gray cat hit the eject button and shows violence. From hunter to hunted in 3 seconds. Heard of shoe thieves, but this is getting ridiculous. 1 minute in wearing my slipper and the next this kitten decides it's a luxury sleeping bag. I guess I'll just walk home with one cold foot because What? You order a deep tissue massage on a budget and your therapist is just some guy from the street. Thought that tiny chair was his size until he got close.
What you doing, Fiji?
Huh?
You realize the world tour is a lot of work, so you decide to just You are trying to have a main character moment, but your sibling refuses to respect your personal space or the camera angle.
Quick.
You forget you are wearing the flower of shame and try to parkour your way onto the furniture. Calculation failed successfully.
Wow. Wow.
The catnip hits so hard you accidentally start auditioning for a contemporary dance troupe. This feline is one leaf away from a full off-Broadway production.